Prime Day deals, top robot vacuums and mops. Robot vacuums are a vital smart device for today's smart homes. These intelligent machines can vacuum, mop, and empty themselves after each cleaning. Some even replace dirty water automatically. During Amazon Prime Big Deal Day, we discovered great deals for Yeti robot vacuums on October 7th and 8th. Yeti robot vacuum and mop deals. Yeti is offering major Prime Day deals. The M12 Pro Plus Black is down to $379.99 from $799.99. C12 Pro Plus is $279.99, was $499.99, and the C12 Plus hits its lowest ever at $249.99, was $399.99. The S16 Plus is also at its lowest price of $799.99, while the S14 Plus drops to $699.99 from $1,199.99. Visit the Yeti Amazon store for more Prime Day offers. Ecovacs robot vacuum and mop deals. Many people aren't aware that Ecovacs, a top robot vacuum maker, owns Yeti. We've tested both brands and appreciate their floor cleaning efficiency. The new N30 Omni drops to $364.99, $305 off. T30S Combo is $479.99, $170 off. And the T30S sees a massive cut to $399.99, $600 off. The T20OMNI is now $599.99, $500 off, while the new X11OMNICYCLONE is available for $1,199.99, $300 off. iRobot Roomba robot vacuum deals. Early Prime Big Deal Days offer major discounts on iRobot Roomba devices. The Roomba J7 Plus, originally $799.99, is now $399.99, 50% off. It features powerful cleaning, advanced obstacle avoidance with precision vision navigation to detect objects like pet waste and cords, and a self-emptying bin that lasts up to 60 days. It also learns your cleaning habits to create personalized schedules. The Roomba i3 Plus, down from $549.99 to $319, 42% off, includes dual multi-surface rubber brushes that avoid pet hair tangles, dirt detect technology for high-traffic areas, and a self-emptying feature lasting up to 60 days. Robot vacuum deals under $200. Check out the Prosonic Q8 robot vacuum and mop combo deal if you want a lower-priced robot vacuum. This smart robot vacuum connects to Wi-Fi and can be controlled using an app, Amazon Alexa, or Siri. It comes with gyro navigation, boundary strip, and self-charging, works on hardwood floors, and can easily pick up pet hair from your carpet. It's only $169.99 on Amazon. Remember to use the GearBrain, our product find engine, which can help you quickly find, buy, and connect any smart device, especially robot vacuums. It can also help you find smart devices compatible with your own.
Go to GearBrain for more information.